our cups. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Now which side? Left, right, or middle? Middle. Okay, so let's put it right here. Now let's call our second bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our silver-crested cockatoo. Scientific name, Cacatuea galerita. They inhabit in open woodlands and forests along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and can be almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find the hidden object? If it yes, then say, you can do it, Dazzle. Dazzle, you can do it. And you got it! Now for our next featured birds are just like any married couple. Meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, right? But as any couple will test in a relationship, there will always be battle. Mean Sassy and Rocky are beautiful pair of twin couple. And today they will battle it out to see who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, let me say Sassy, Sassy. And for the boys, let's cheer for Rocky, Rocky, Rocky. Okay, birds ready? Feeders ready, set, go. Here's Rocky on his first ball, followed only by Sassy. Another one for Rocky, and it's a tie. And for the last ball, Rocky wins. Trainer Rochelle, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Hold it, we want another race.
Do you want another race, Trainer Mark?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I want a replays.